everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I know I'm coming at you looking like a foot again, okay? But if you watched, I don't know if it's gonna go up before or after this, but my room tour video, I look exactly like this because today a lot of things have come in, my mirror, my bed set, and I went to go pick up my drawer, my chest drawer thing from IKEA. So a lot has been happening, but I thought I should do this video since I do little review videos like the garment rack and these letterpress. I wanted to just show you guys me building the MALM, what is that? MALM 6-drawer dresser, okay? All the details will be down below. But when you go pick, first of all, the IKEA in Charlotte, baby, I gotta visit there more often because that is like home for me. I love room decor. So it was beautiful. It's a beautiful experience. And this dresser set came with 3 things. So I actually opened box number 2 first. So that was, that wasn't very smart of me, but it's okay because these are the drawers and I would rather do the drawers first since that can be kind of tedious, especially after doing this. And then I'm going to do the full-blown thing, which I'm sure is number 1. Okay, so yes, let's get started. You're just gonna watch me. Y'all already know. Cue the fast mode. I look like a foot still, but that's okay. This is our second day building this, and my mother helped me. She's sitting over there because she didn't want to be in the camera. But yes, I didn't record everything just because, you just building it, have fun. But you definitely need to build it with somebody else. But the drawers are really cute, and now that I was putting it back in, you guys saw I had to switch them back around because some of them didn't close right. So it's gonna be a little game. And the very last one has like a warning label, so I figured that would be the last one, and it fits. So yes, it was really fun. Did you have fun? Yes. She said yes like that. So yes, it's really nice. Everything is like so much better quality than when I was building my letterpress drawers for my vanity. And so if you haven't watched that, go check it out. But yes, stay tuned for my room tour. I don't know if it's going up before or after this, but go watch that too, okay? And with all that being said, you want to say it over there? Y'all got to say it over here because you're in the room. Stay blessed and stay sweet.